We're out here with Joe and Judy Passantino, exploring everything again.
A trio of grays here. I'm gonna keep these.
Yeah, they look good. Young jungle gray.
Yeah, these are 3 grays. Okay, here's a pair of
Beautiful
red Ceylon jungle fall. See?
Yeah, I love the journey. No female bronze tails, huh?
No, I got that one here, and there's another one on either side, and then another male. There's a pair of palo ones there. 3, there's a pair of palo ones. 4. Here I have, I think there's a trio of grays here. I was eating the jungle fall eggs. And he says, "Are you kidding? He says, you can't buy a pair of eggs for $500 now." I said, "What?" And who was it with Tony Brancato with the mayonnaise? I said, "I was selling them at $20, $25. He says, "You get $500 without even batting an eye now."
Yeah.
I said, "What?" I mean, he said,
I gave 10 of mine to one guy, but I gave him a deal, 200 each.
and that was cheap.
Yeah.
The way Tony says, yeah, he says that was super, super cheap.
Yep.
But I didn't have a clue what they were worth.